Look good. Look at that little fat on there. Yeah, that's flavor there. What's up, everybody? We're about to do my favorite cut as a kid, the porterhouse steak. But as an adult, I thought it was the ribeye. But I'm going back to Old Faithful, the porterhouse, and I got a good deal on it too. Well, a good deal for these modern times at $5.98 a pound. So we're gonna keep it simple. Look at that there. So let's get it seasoned up. Kosher salt, black pepper, garlic powder, thyme. That is my steak seasoning of choice. Flip to the other side. I'm just using Diamond Crystal kosher salt here. Using a healthy amount. We ain't making it hard. So I'm doing one traditional medium rare and the other well done for the missus. Don't forget the size, y'all. So let's hang these out on the counter for a while we get the smoker fired up. First, we're gonna throw these vegetables on here first. I got some asparagus, so it ain't gonna take long. All right, we're rolling close to 400, y'all. Now I got this asparagus. It's garlic parmesan. So it's gonna be garlic parmesan crusted. Oh, it lost a few. Oh, wait a minute. I got my second grate down there, so it should capture it. It's oh no. You see what I'm saying? Y'all get to see the mistakes and everything. Got a little olive oil on them already. Salt and pepper, grated parmesan, grated raw garlic. All right, y'all. We'll be back. We really ain't gonna leave the area, so we'll be back in about 5 minutes, baby. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'll be back. See all that greenery sizzling. Yeah, I'm grabbing it from the bottom, y'all. Who knows? It might fall again. Looking good. About to take it off. Been on here about 8 minutes. That's all it takes. We just want to be a little tender. We don't want it to be mushy. We want a little structure to our vegetables. All right, y'all. Well, we got that smoker running there, baby. Close to 400.
Yep.
What we call it, what? Something goofy like 385. So this one here is gonna be monitored by the meter. That one there is gonna be cooked to a medium rare. We taking it off at 125. This one here is for Shawana. It's gonna be well done. She likes it well done. She's one of those, y'all. Don't judge. All right, been rocking 5 minutes, y'all. Let's see what we look like. Give it a little flip on the other side. Okay. Ooh, you smell that smell there?
Yeah.
Ooh-wee. All right, let's let it kick back. It is time to remove the control steak from the heat, according to the meter. We'll follow the directions. Here go Miss Shawana's steak. We're gonna let it continue to cook for about another 10 minutes. Look, ooh, yeah, look good.
Good. All right.
That's that well done joint. Look good. Look at that little fat on there. Yeah, that's flavor there. That's well enough for you, baby.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. All right. I believe it's still gonna be juicy. Ooh-wee. All right. Let's see if we know what we're doing, honey.
All right, baby.
Yeah. Still smoking a little bit. I let it cool. It's been cooling what? About 10 minutes?
Yeah, and it's still smoking.
Let's see. Let's see if we got man, it feel tender, I tell you that.
Young time.
I can tell you by cutting it. Oh, look at that. Come on now. Let's see what this tastes like, baby.
All right.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
I know it's good.
See, that's why I love that porterhouse. I know everybody be stuck on that ribeye. Ribeye is good. New York strip is good too. But man, the porterhouse. Oh my God. Ooh-wee.
We.
Man, this is so tender.
We.
I can't wait to get my eat on. Put it all together. Ooh, look at that. Give a doggy a bone. So good, don't even need no sauce, baby. We good, we good, we good. Now this part, I know people say, "Hey, I don't like all that fat."
Shoot, it's the best
Shoo,
part.
shoo. That's that part, yeah. I'm about to plate up. I got my asparagus, my French fries, steak cut up. That's all, y'all.